Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full review of the WordPress plugin Elementor Pro. Elementor Pro is a paid plugin for WordPress that allows you to completely customize your website through a drag and drop interface instead of having to know code. If you're a beginner looking to start your own website, then this video is for you. What makes Elementor Pro so beneficial for web designers is that it allows you to create a professional looking website in a matter of minutes. And in addition to that, it's suitable for both professionals and beginners. You no longer have to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars to create a new website thanks to this plugin. Elementor Pro also comes with a ton of pre-built templates if you're not actually looking to create a website from scratch. You can go through and make your own adjustments by adding in new elements as well as removing the things that you don't want from those templates. Okay, so here I am on Elementor Pro's homepage, and if you go over here to pricing, you'll be able to see what they charge for the Pro version. Click on Page Builder plugin, and then down here you can see that for one website it's $59 per year. For 3 websites, it's $99 per year. For 25 pro websites, $199 per year. And then for 1,000 pro websites, it's $399 per year. But for most of you, you're just going to be trying to start your first website, I assume. So the 1 pro website will be probably enough for you. Or you could also elect to go with the 3 pro websites if you're looking to maybe have multiple businesses in the near future. And so all of these plans include over 100 basic and pro widgets, over 300 basic and pro templates, a theme builder, a WooCommerce store builder if you're looking to sell products, a landing page builder, a pop-up builder, which is really nice if you're trying to convert more sales as well. You can prompt a pop-up for when they click on something, which will ask them if they want to make a purchase, etc., or subscribe to a newsletter. They also have a form builder, a marketing tools, and premium support. Pretty much all of these plans will have the same benefits as far as these pro widgets and templates and all that. But if you're looking for more websites to host, then you'll want to go with a bigger plan. But like I just said, all of these plans have the same benefits to it. So no matter which one you have, you can create the same exact website. But let's go ahead and click on buy now. And then from here, what you'll do is you'll just enter in all of your information and then you'll click pay now, and you'll actually receive a confirmation email in the email address that you signed up with. What you'll do is you'll click on that, download the files, as well as copy the licensing key. And then you will go back into Elementor here, and then you'll go all the way down to license, and then you can insert the license in here. And also before you go ahead and insert the license, you will want to upload the plugin. So what you will do is go to plugins, you'll go to add new plugin, you will go to upload plugin, and then that zip file that you get from subscribing to Elementor Pro, you will drag that zip file into here. And then once you have the zip file in here and the plugin is downloaded, that's when you'll go into Elementor, hit license, and then paste in your licensing key as well. And then that'll activate Elementor on this website so that no one else can basically use it. And then just to show you some of the awesome features that Elementor does offer, I'll kind of show you their page builder real quick. So if you go to all pages and let's just create add new, we'll just call this a test review because I'm just going to show you guys what's on here. Click save draft. It's important you either save the draft or publish it before you actually go and edit it with Elementor, because if you don't have it saved, then there's nothing to really edit. So here I am in the test review page that I'm just going to show you guys what you can do and how you can build pages. We also have other videos on this channel that I'll link in the description, but I'll give you guys a quick rundown on how nice and easy Elementor is to kind of use. So all you would really do is click on add a new section here. You can choose from all these things, so you can have like 1 big section, 2 side by sides, 3, 4 sections, but for now we'll just click on 1 section and I'll show you some of the cool things that you can do. So of course, you can bring in your headings here, you can go ahead, you can bring in your text here, drag in the text editor, and then name things whatever you'd like. But this stuff is a part of other videos that we have on the channel, so once again, just go ahead and check those ones out. What I want to do in this video is just kind of show you some of the pro benefits that makes it worth paying the $59 per year versus going with the free version. So some of the cool pro widgets that they offer are like a posts widget. So what you'll do is you'll drag this in and then it'll automatically populate all of your blog posts. Your audience can find it really easily, and it actually saves you a ton of time so you don't have to create this on your own. So that's one of the really cool things it has. There's different skins you can do full content, you can do custom, and then what this is you can actually go here and click create/edit a loop template, and you'll create a template that you can then insert across the entire website with the pro plan. So one really cool thing that the pro plan offers, but I'll show you guys a few more. So they also have a navigation menu, which is basically the header up here that shows like business formation, how to, side hustles. All this stuff is fully customizable thanks to Elementor Pro. And some other really cool things that they have are like a pricing table, for example, which I'll just drag in. And I think you might have seen this on other websites that you kind of follow, or you might get information from on how to buy something especially. And that's what this is right here. It's a price table, and you can go ahead and even duplicate this. So if you delete this, and this, you can duplicate this section. And as you can see here, you can put like, for example, we have like a review on Zen Business. We also have one on like Inkfile. And then I think there's one more, Northwest Registered Agent, right? And what you can do is type in a description. So this is like a business formation service, and then you can just go ahead and put in the monthly price. You can list perk number 1, perk number 2, perk number 3, what comes with it. And even if you look into Elementor right now, you'll see that they somewhat have a very similar thing. So see these check marks right here, these boxes with the pricing and the buy now and the text. If you look over here, very similar, but you can go ahead and switch things out as you'd like. So you don't have to have this all here. If you don't want text or something like that, like, let me show you what to do. So if you don't want this ribbon, for example, all you have to do is turn it off from showing. So select show or don't show. You can even change the text in here. You can have it most popular, as long as it fits kind of in there. You can do this one like second best, and so on, right? All of these things are fully customizable. The buttons are fully customizable. So yeah, that's kind of some of the features for these buttons, but a few other cool things that I can show you that come on the Pro widgets. So they also have like a progress tracker even. So sometimes you like this if you have large articles and you want to know how much longer they have to scroll till they hit the bottom or something like that. There's a progress tracker here, which you can also fully customize as well. But if you put this on like a blog page, then as they scroll down, they'll see like their completion status. So just these really cool pre-built templates that you don't even have to do anything. They're already created for you. So all you really do is scroll down and drag in whatever you'd like. Another cool thing that I've seen that I haven't used on the website yet, but I find it pretty nice, is this flip box. It kind of, you hover your mouse over it and it flips and it gives you like another info card, but when you take your mouse off, it's got like a title as the header card. Just really cool. And also Elementor Pro has a full icon library, really easy. Like you can add, for example, arrows, white circle, the dark circle. They really do have everything. So, and look at all the different arrows they have just on that alone. So anything you need for icons, anything you need for web design, Elementor Pro basically has it. If you're not looking to fully customize your website, then they do have an option for people who are looking to kind of use templates. So to use a template, all you would do is come down here to this little square, click on the folder instead of the plus button, and then here you can literally browse all of their pages that are built for you to kind of just insert your content into a blog without having to spend hours to set it all up. If I were to click on something like this one, right? Just go ahead and click insert, apply, and boom. All of this has just populated. So you can actually go in, and as you can see, you can delete things. Let's say I don't want this picture right here. Click on the pencil, delete that, switch up the text here to like how to start a website, switch out the photos for whatever you'd like. And it's even got these animations, like when you scroll in, certain things kind of pop up. And one other thing, if you're looking for not necessarily a full-on like page, but you're looking just for like a certain block, then they also have templates for those as well. So if you go over here to blocks, then you can actually find like a 404 page, which is like if they accidentally click on a broken link to a page that doesn't exist, you can just kind of slap one of these templates on there instead of spending time setting up an entire 4-page on your own. You can also find these other cool templates, like this is an archives template. It'll basically take all of your archive posts and organize them for you, which is also a pretty time-consuming task when you're creating a blog, because you'll want to like basically anytime they click on categories, you'll want that archive page to be formatted so that it all pops up with the same exact category, not all the blog posts. This is really easy. When you just insert this, it takes out a lot of the work for you. And other things you can do, these are for like clients where you can kind of like acknowledge who works for you or who you work for. I see a lot on websites is this awesome clients right here. It's like a banner that I'll see on a lot of websites where they just kind of put it in the middle, and it gives them a little bit of a validation. If they've been featured in some type of like news articles or something, they'll put it right here. It just kind of adds to their website and makes it look a little bit more professional. And then yeah, in addition to those other things I just showed you, with the Pro version of Elementor, you'll be able to fully edit the footer as well as the header, which is extremely important, and it's probably one of the first things you'll be doing when you start your website. So yeah, just another reason why you'll want to go ahead and go with Elementor Pro from the beginning rather than like working your way up to Elementor Pro, because if you build build this whole header and footer with the free version. Once you switch to Elementor Pro in the future, you're gonna have to redo this and reconfigure your whole site. So yeah, that's why I just say go ahead and start with the Pro version up front. And then one other thing I just wanted to show you, just because there are so many things that you can really do on here. They even have like a star rating right here. So what you can do is if you want to do reviews on things, right, then you can just drag in the star rating. So you can do 0 to 5, 0 to 10, and then you can rank the stars. So even if it's like a 4.75, it'll literally do like 0.75 of the next star. Very useful tool. And to show you an example of how I use this, if you go onto our website, onto our affiliates page, you'll see that I was able to rank all of our business formation services that we're showing on the page. So this one got like 9.8 stars, 9.6 stars, 9.3 stars. I was basically able to create these entire things from scratch with Elementor's Pro widgets. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for our review on Elementor Pro. And again, I'll leave a link to Elementor Pro as well as our other WordPress tutorials in the description for you guys to check out. Hopefully this helped answer some of the questions you may have had about whether or not Elementor Pro is worth the $59 per year. I would say that while the free version does have a lot to offer, the Pro version is a must-have for anyone who is looking to create a professional looking brand or business. And also guys, like I mentioned earlier, don't be like me and try to do it for free at first, because if you're serious about this, it's only a matter of time until you will need to invest into your website. So it's better to do that from the start rather than having to re-customize it later once you've unlocked all of the Pro features that Elementor has to offer. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe for more content just like this. We have dedicated our resources to giving you free guides and tutorials to help you start your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.